If you want to add watermark in Google Docs, here's how you can do it in few clicks. So for that you have to open Google Docs, go to docs.google.com, open the document you want to add watermark to, then click on insert from the top menu and then scroll down to find watermark, click on it and then select the image you want to upload. Probably it will be your logo for branding, or you can add do not steal or any other copyright informed message. You can upload from your computer, Google Drive, or even by URL too. Once uploaded, you can adjust the transparency, size and positioning. Make sure faded is checked so it doesn't overpower your text, and then you can apply your watermark. Click done and you are good to go. The watermark will appear on every page of your documents, so that's how you can apply watermark in Google Docs. And if it helped, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any update. See you in the next one.